What if I told you your face could be stolen? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a reality we're facing today. I've been reading about facial recognition technology, and it's got me both excited and concerned. We're on the cusp of a revolution where our faces could become the ultimate password, but at what cost? As I delve into this world, I'm struck by how fast it's evolving. Companies are already using facial recognition to verify identities, and it's being touted as a game changer for security. But what does it mean for our personal privacy? I mean, think about it, we're talking about a system that can identify you just by looking at your face. It's like having a unique fingerprint, but instead of just your fingers, it's your entire face that's being scanned. And that's where biometrics come in, the science of using unique physical characteristics to identify individuals. It's not just facial recognition, we're also talking about voice recognition, iris scanning, and even fingerprints. But facial recognition is the one that's got me most intrigued, mainly because it's so visible. I mean, you can't hide your face, can you? It's out there, and it's being captured by cameras everywhere. But here's the thing, our faces are already being used to identify us in various ways. Think about it, when you walk into a store, you're often caught on camera. And with facial recognition, those cameras can now be used to identify you, track your movements, and even predict your behavior. It's like having a digital shadow that follows you everywhere. And what's really worrying is that this technology is still in its infancy, so we don't know the full implications of it yet. As I've been learning more about this, I've started to think about the parallels between facial recognition and other forms of identification. Like, remember when credit cards first came out? They were meant to be secure, but then we saw a rise in credit card fraud. And now, with facial recognition, we're seeing a similar pattern emerge. It's being hailed as a secure way to verify identities, but it's also opening up new avenues for identity theft. It's like we're playing a game of cat and mouse, where the hackers are always one step ahead. And that's where the concept of identity theft comes in. It's not just about stealing your credit card details, it's about stealing your entire identity. With facial recognition, a hacker could potentially use your face to access your accounts, unlock your phone, and even impersonate you online. It's a scary thought, and it's something we should all be aware of. But what can we do to protect ourselves? That's the million-dollar question. As I've been exploring this topic, I've come across some fascinating real-world analogies that make the concept click. Like, think about a master key, it can unlock multiple doors, right? Well, your face is like a master key, but instead of unlocking doors, it's unlocking your entire digital life. And just like how you wouldn't want someone to get their hands on your master key, you shouldn't want someone to get their hands on your facial data. It's a sobering thought, and it's something that's made me more mindful of my online presence. But what about the benefits of facial recognition? I mean, it's not all doom and gloom, is it? For instance, it could revolutionize the way we travel, no more queuing at airports, no more tedious security checks. And it could also make our lives more convenient. Imagine being able to pay for things just by smiling at a camera. It's a tantalizing prospect, and it's something that's got me excited about the future. As we navigate this complex landscape, it's essential to think about the implications of facial recognition on our privacy. I mean, what does it mean to have a private life when your face is being scanned and tracked everywhere you go? It's a question that's been on my mind a lot lately, and it's something I think we should all be considering. And as I reflect on my own online habits, I realize that I've been pretty careless with my personal data. Maybe it's time for me to take a step back and reassess my digital footprint. Now, as we consider the potential risks and benefits of facial recognition, it's worth thinking about the bigger picture. How will this technology change the way we interact with each other, with businesses, and with governments? It's a question that's still being debated, but one thing's for sure, our faces are becoming an integral part of our digital lives. And as we move forward, it's crucial to have an open and honest conversation about what this means for our society. It's a conversation that's long overdue, and it's one that I think we should all be a part of. As I wrap up my thoughts on this topic, I'm left with a sense of wonder and trepidation. What does the future hold for facial recognition, and how will we balance the benefits with the risks? It's a question that's still being answered, but one thing's for sure, our faces are becoming a valuable commodity, and it's up to us to protect them. So, I'll leave you with this: what will you do to safeguard your face and your identity in a world where facial recognition is becoming the norm? And if you're as curious as I am about the future of technology, then join me on this journey of discovery, and let's explore the exciting, and sometimes scary, world of AI and tech together.